All right, Indiana, I need all my Hoosiers and Hoosiettes, can I call you that? Gather around because it's Friday. You know what that means. You gonna get this work. Top trade schools, Indiana. Let's go. From the bustling streets of Indianapolis to the industrial powerhouse of Fort Wayne, we're about to go on a ride through Indiana's top institutions that are fueling the workforce that are creating this manufacturing boom. We're about to uncover the innovative programs, industry collaborations, and cutting-edge facilities that are molding the Hoosier State's future workforce. But before we jump into the list, I gotta give a huge shout out to this week's sponsor, machinistjobs.substack.com. Harnessing the power of AI, machinistjobs.substack.com connects skilled industry professionals with top-tier jobs. If you're a machinist and you're ready to skyrocket your career, sign up now. Indiana is positioned to be an absolute titan in American manufacturing. From automotive leaders like Toyota and Subaru to aerospace giants like Royce and Raytheon, the Hoosier State boasts an impressive roster of industry giants. So come with me as we check out the trade schools that are equipping the next generation of workers with the skills and the tools to keep Indiana's manufacturing heartbeat going strong. Kicking off our list at number 3 top trade school in Indiana, Purdue Polytechnic Institute, an integral part in the globally acclaimed Purdue University system. Purdue Poly delivers pioneering programs in advanced manufacturing, automation, and robotics, even engineering technology. The school's collaboration with Indiana's Next Generation Manufacturing Competitiveness Center, or NMAC, gives students access to industry-leading research and development. Purdue Poly has also partnered with industry heavyweights like Caterpillar, Fiat Chrysler Automotive, and Rolls-Royce to provide co-op and internship opportunities to all of their students and graduates, providing real-world hands-on experience while they're honing their skills. Securing our second spot in Indiana's top trade schools is Vincennes University. Vincennes is famous for its prestigious John Deere Tech program. This joint venture between Vincennes and John Deere provides students hands-on training on state-of-the-art agriculture machinery and equipment. The school also boasts a comprehensive precision manufacturing technology program, which recently secured a multi-million-dollar grant from the Gene Haas Foundation to expand its facilities and equipment. Moreover, Vincennes has joined forces with Toyota to provide the Advanced Manufacturing Technician Program, a work-based learning opportunity that blends classroom instruction with paid on-the-job training. Coming in at number 1, the top trade school in all of the state of Indiana, none other than Ivy Tech Community College, the nation's largest singly accredited statewide college system. Ivy Tech's Indianapolis campus boasts a wide array of advanced manufacturing programs. I'm talking programs like robotics, CNC machining, and industrial technology. The school's alliance with the Indiana Federation for Advanced Manufacturing Education, or INFAME for short, offers students industry-relevant curriculum and paid work experience at leading employers like Allison Transmission and Vertex Precision Manufacturing Technology. Now, it doesn't stop there. Ivy Tech has recently invested over $14 million in its new Manufacturing and Engineering Technology Center, a cutting-edge facility featuring the latest in automation and Industry 4.0 technology. So you'll be training on a smart factory, the factories of the future. So that's it for the Hoosier State. I hope you love my list. But as always, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like my list, give me your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know who I missed so we can consider them for the next iteration. And don't forget, it's tour season. American Manufacturing Renaissance Tour Champions of Champions Edition is coming to a city near you. Check out the dates that have been posted. We're always going to be adding more, so keep your eye on mfgtour.com, the American Manufacturing Renaissance Tour. Come get some of this work in person.